Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Prashasti. It's already 2021. Time is just running so fast and it's already been 7 days of the new year. Hello, wake up Prashasti. So I thought what better to start off this year with a nice skincare haul. Now I promise there is no makeup. Okay, a little bit of makeup. So just one or two things. Rest, I promise you 95% of it is skincare. So let's just start with today's video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and let's just start. Okay, so I have this huge box of skincare and also some parts of here and there which I ordered from Nykaa. So I want to show you that. So I'm going to keep it here, and to start off, the first thing which I want to share is this shampoo. Now this shampoo is known as Matrix. Now this is easily available offline. I got this from Nykaa. The only reason I got this one is because I read very nice reviews of this shampoo. I also ordered the conditioner which comes with it. So, and I think it gives a nice result. Honestly, not so like utna difference nahi hai, but I think it's better than the other shampoos. And this was priced at rupees 250, like this shampoo, and conditioner also separately for 250, so 500 for both, which I think is like very reasonable for a good shampoo. So I really like this one. Next thing which I want to share are M Caffeine products. Now M Caffeine is in like trend. Everyone is trying their hands on these products. So these are body moisturizers. So I got these in two variants. One is in coca body lotion and the other one is in coffee body lotion. The packaging looks very classy to me. It's very subtle. Okay, so this is how the moisturizer looks. I'm not gonna lie, I have been using these, but just for the sake of the video, I have like packed them nicely for you guys to see it. So that's the Choco body lotion, and that's the other one is in the coffee variant. Now coming to their application, I feel these moisturizers are stunning. You just actually take one pump and it will do the job. Like I'll show you the consistency of it, and it will just blend in my skin like beautifully. To be very honest, I didn't like the smell of this one, the cocoa one. It like actually like legit smells like as if you've applied a chocolate ice cream. So I'm a bit skeptical about it, but then the application is amazing. So I sometimes use it on my legs, on my back, on my stomach. So basically I use it for my body parts. So amazing, love the application. And about the pricing part, this was for rupees 395 each, and I got it on a discount for let's say 350 maybe. So yeah, they are on a bit of pricier side, but then you'll love it. I mean, if you apply one coat, you don't need to apply for like let's say 3 hours, and 3 hours is like enough, because if you compare it with any other moisturizers, you need to like reapply it again and again. So yeah, in terms of application, I really like these ones. Now talking about skincare, let's just move on to our face. That's the most important part, right? So I ordered this bio oil for like dry skin. Although I have an oily skin, but I apply a lot of makeup sometimes, and I am not someone who will take care of their skin a lot. Let's say I'm not able to maintain a good routine for my skin. So I thought that I'll order this one. Also, I was very curious because again, bio oil is one of those products which is actually very hyped up. So bio oil, and I literally found this amazing. Like I have to say this is one of my best purchases till now. So when I'll finish this shoot, even I'll use this on my face. It's very nice. It feels amazing on your skin. You can just massage it on your face and you will feel amazing. It will soak up in your skin when you wake up in the morning, and there's no sort of itching or no sort of swelling or redness. This is, by the way, nothing is sponsored here, right? So yeah, I really like this one, and you should definitely give this a try. Like this is like my special recommendation. I'll leave the link of this product in the description box below. Next favorite is this Nykaa oil. I love this. Yes, one con is that it's way pricier than I thought it would be. So I got this one for rupees 700. Now I know itna sa quantity ke liye 700 is a bit too much, and but again, see, the value of the product increases, right, if it's useful for you. So it's the same thing. I love the application. It comes with this thing, what do you call this, refill, I don't know what do you call this thing. So it comes with this thing. It just makes your skin so smooth, and I got this one in Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil. I don't like applying moisturizer whenever I take a shower. I just directly apply this thing, and this thing just keeps my skin so moisturized, so soft, and it just smells amazing. So you can definitely give this one a try. Okay, next are one of the very important and useful products. These are panty liners. Now, I've been using panty liners for a while now, and it's definitely a must-have. These are from the brand Bella, and they had 36 panty liners, and this packet costed me just ₹70. This thing is a lifesaver. You should definitely try panty liners, and this does wonders. So the next thing which I want to share are these shampoos again. Now, I've been using Khadi shampoos from past 1 year now, and I am in love with these shampoos. The best part about them are these are paraben free, and these smell so good, and they're so cheap. So my personal favorite is in honey and vanilla flavor. Oh my god, this smells like coconut. I feel like eating this shampoo. Like, I know this sounds so weird, this just smells so yummy. I feel like eating it up, and also it just leaves such a nice fragrance in your hair. So definitely try this one. And the other one is in the variant honey almond. This is also very nice, red in color, and this was in yellow in color. These ones costed me $120 each, so definitely give these a try. Okay, so the next product which I want to show are the makeup I discussed in the beginning. These two lipsticks, these are from the brand Maybelline New York. Now, pair mein aaya tha mujhe, so I got two lipsticks for under rupees, for rupees 300, so 150 each. I absolutely loved both of them. I'm going to show you the swatch actually. This is one lipstick. It's in the shade Mesmerizing Magenta. I do not like this one a lot because I don't wear a shade like that, but I thought to try something new. किसी पे तो अच्छा लगेगा, right? So we'll see how this works. And the other one which I'm wearing right now has become one of my favorites, man. This is just stunning. I'm such a fan. This is so stunning. मैंने अभी लगाया था थोड़ी देर पहले. I love this lip shade. This is so pretty. I mean, पूरा look ही इस lipstick से आ रहा है. So just definitely try your hands on this one. This is in the shade 696 Burgundy Blush. You have to try this lipstick. I'm going to leave the links for all the products in the description box below. So one thing which I got for free from Nykaa, that's because I ordered so much, is this M Caffeine product, and I'm so happy about it. So first of all, the packaging, hands down, the packaging is so lovely. I'm never going to throw this packet. And they sent me two products, like not sent me, this is not a sponsored video, they just sent it because I ordered so much stuff from Nykaa. Any regular customer could get it. So it's this coffee polishing body oil. I haven't honestly tried this, so I'm not gonna give you the false review. And same goes with the Naked Raw coffee body scrub, caffeine, M Caffeine. And so I'm gonna actually open the package right now, and I feel it's a nice time to scrub my hands because I'm really tired and I need some refreshment. So I'm gonna open this right now. I actually heard reviews about it, and my friends told me that it's really nice. I'm gonna open this up. Oh my god, I feel that I'm sitting in a coffee shop. I genuinely feel that I'm sitting in a coffee shop. I want to eat this thing now. This is amazing. I want to try my hands on these one ASAP. Itna to I didn't even like. मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. This just smells amazing, and I'm gonna try my hands on these ones. I think I'm definitely going to make a video on this one, like separate video, maybe a review video, because I'm just so like excited for this one. Guys, if any of you have tried this scrub, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your review. But ये सामान ये वाला, like these two things, I got it for free from Nykaa. So grateful that I got this stuff for free. Really nice. I'm gonna like try this one and let you know guys about it. Okay, I'm gonna pack this, and we're just left with one last thing. So I absolutely love Body Shop. This just smells like very, I would say, classy. Classy is the word which I feel. I don't know how to like describe the smell, to be honest. It's like a placebo quality shower gel. So this was priced at rupees 345, which I feel is okay. So I just like Body Shop a lot. I don't like their rose variant. That's because actually I don't like the smell of the rose that much. So I enjoyed the smell. This is just very classy and lavish. So this was it about this video. I hope you guys must have enjoyed this video. Once again, wishing you all a very happy new year. Just like focus on your goals and just be happy and I don't know ये कहाँ से आया हॉल के बीच में, but I just wanted to say it out there. So I did, and I'm gonna go shoot a different video now. And please subscribe कर लेना, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.